Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respecting the Constitution of the state and all the constitutional institutions of the state, I express my opinion on a national issue, and this is July Charter and Constitutional Reform Commission. Confliction between the ruling party and the opposition party over the implementation of the order of the July Charter and the Constitutional Reform Commission, which is very unfortunate for the nation. The citizens believe that the government is respectful about this issue. Besides, the government should realize that July Charter is not only the documentary outcome but also the reflection of the aspirations of the citizens. Alongside, the opposition must also wait until the verdict of the court is announced. After then, through the negotiations between the ruling party and the opposition party, the issue can be solved, as well as it can be incorporated in the constitution in accordance with the law. We should realize that respecting the law is a main duty of every civilized nation. In special circumstances, the government should show the highest political consensus for the greater interest of the state or nation. The government and the opposition has also to keep close eye on social media so that nobody can create any instability regarding this issue. Because we can build a prosperous Bangladesh peacefully through facing any type of destructive situation. The government is public elected government, and the government has came to the state power with absolute majority. So our expectation is to the government that the issue can be resolved as soon as possible through negotiations. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.